You can scrape the tire this way with the machine running, or if you don't want to take it off your car, you can just scrape side to side. We've found that when you scrape side to side, laying the blade back towards the number 3 setting works a little bit better. There is a instruction manual you can download off our website if you lost the one that came with yours. It kind of tells you what we found as far as best settings. I like to scrape on the machine because I typically sand them after I scrape them, so I'm taking them off the car anyhow to sand them. So really it takes little to no effort. The first thing I'll do, I have a right front here, the rubber gets built up there on the inside edge. The first thing I will do is just scrape that off. There's big chunks of it. So once I have that off, I just keep an old screwdriver around to get that rubber off. When you're scraping through the middle, a lot of times it'll just fall off. But so we got the buildup off the edge. Now you simply are gonna lay this gun up on the tire, and this wheel will spin. It's a nice Delrin wheel, so it doesn't stick to the tire. It'll just spin on the tire. So you don't really, with the old kind, you really had to put a lot of force and push down and pull. With this, you literally just lay it up there and it will scrape this tire nice and neat. This one has quite a bit of buildup, so I might go around it twice. So again, you're not really applying a lot of pressure. You're just pushing down, using the top hand to stabilize it. If you're doing a bunch of them, I recommend wearing a glove because you can get your hand a little warm, you know. So you can see that got the bulk of it off. We'll just do one more pass. This was an A main tire, so it had a lot of rubber built up. That's simple. That's a good, clean tire. So we always run it on the highest setting. And then again, we'll determine the angle of the blade and the roller arm based on which direction you want to scrape. If you're going to leave it on your car and scrape side to side, works really well for that too. The roller's really not in contact with the tire, but if you lay that blade back farther, we found that to work a little better.